Welcome to the channel English Vinglish. An introduction to folk music. Folk music consists of songs and music of a community that are uninfluenced by any sophisticated musical rules or any standard music styles. Almost all of the countries of the world have heritages of rich folk music, which includes both religious and secular songs. Folk music may be described as that type of ancient music which springs from the heart of a community, based on their natural style of expression uninfluenced by the rules of classical music and modern popular songs. Any mode or form created by the combination of tune, voice and dance may be described as music. Thus, the combination of folk song, folk dance and folk tune may be called folk music. For example, Baul songs of Bengal are a combination of tune, music and dance. Folk music is composed by rural folk on the basis of ancient rules transmitted orally. The ancient rules of folk music have not been influenced by classical or modern music. Folk songs may be sung in groups or individually. No regular practice is required for folk music. Folk song is composed and performed by illiterate or semi-literate people. It is a spontaneous expression in easy language, local dialect, and simple tune. Both words and tune of folk songs are appealing. Despite its universal appeal, it uses local dialect. It depends upon nature and the rural environment. It is an explicit manifestation of the joys and sorrows of daily life. It uses simple and natural rhythms. It contains a strong emotive expression of human love and separation. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe the channel English Vinglish.